Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Caroline De La Vida and I am 33 years old. My height is 155 centimeter and my weight is 55 kilos. I am married with 3 children, ages 13 years old, 11 years old, and 2 years old. I graduated in Mubo National High School. I work as a housemaid in Nani in Manila to Mr. and Mrs. Romeo Ruby for 3 years. There are 5 members in the family, 4 adults and 1 child aged 5 years old. I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and tutoring children. I take good care of babies like changing diaper, feed them, and bath them. I want to work Hong Kong to earn money to support my family for better living. I am honest, trustworthy, obedient, and hardworking. I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. I promise to finish my 2 years contract and renew when needed. I hope to see you soon. Thank you.